Really slippery. This is really slippery.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we're in mountains again, and we're just gonna do some gameplay. In a public lobby on casual, not infection this time. So yeah, and remember to like and subscribe. And my goal is to get 100 subscribers. That's my goal. Right now I'm getting chased. No, I'm not getting chased. Now see, once we go, like, you'll see something, and you'll see it like right here. Yeah, right here. You can see that there's like a witch and stuff, like a witch thing in those crystal walls, which honestly is pretty cool.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
Right now, I am running from a kid.
Dude, you are not funny.
So, if I can get away from him. Oh, he's chasing me. Oh God, he's chasing me. Help! I'm getting chased. Okay guys, so we're gonna try and escape from him. Okay, that's our plan. Oh, skeleton. Yeah, so that's all we gotta do. Escape from him.
Anyways, how's your hole in your ear?
But yeah, honestly, I like that. It's pretty cool though. Mountains and stuff and the stars. I'm getting chased.
Yeah, like 40 years or something. Do you want some bubbles for your trouble? Oh, it looks like Jackson's gonna cry. There's some bubbles for your trouble. Oh, it looks like Jackson's gonna cry.
I just escaped from him.
Give me bubbles.
That's me.
Let's go, people. I just escaped from him. From Purple Monkey. Let's go. Oh, come on. Oh. Woo. This is pretty fun. Oh, ow.
You gotta push your trigger.
No, you can't be dead.
I also got a new cosmetic. I mean, it's not new, but I recently bought it. And my friend Fearless has it. As you know him as Mighty Fearless, right? Even though that's my account name, but the VR, but that's his YouTube. Go subscribe to him. Oh, my cat just sneezed. So let's go. I'm gonna try and get on the it's called Boom.
Song recommendations.
Dude, it's like 10.
Song recommendations.
This is yeah, Gorilla Tag is a fun game. I'd recommend doing it or trying playing it. I'm also probably gonna be uploading other videos and stuff, like Minecraft videos on my channel. Minecraft videos or like Call of Duty, Minecraft, stuff like that. Fortnite.
Found you, Black.
No, you.
Why are you buying?
No, you don't.
That was funny. Guys, that's hurry up. Hurry up.
Bye bye, Purple.
Catch him up.
Okay, let's go. Come on.
No. Guys, it's gonna be a new best driver.
But yeah.
Anyone has volunteered to be bus driver?
Oh, no.
I'm the
No.
timer.
Oh. Hey. My mission was to get to the broom.
I want to be the bus driver. Drop me.
Everybody, let's go on Daisy. Everybody,
Who wanna be
let's
the
go on
bus
Daisy.
driver? I'm the timer.
But I hope everyone has a nice day, have a nice life, you know? No, be good. Although I'm not ending the video yet, I just want to say that because, you know, I want to be nice and stuff.
You're the new bus driver. I want to spawn Lucy.
Yeah, remember to like and subscribe. Also, share this with your friends.
Anybody with a top hat and a party hat, they're all VIP members, okay?
Get on the okay.
Everybody. What? His name is Croissant. Party hat.
Let's go, guys. We got on the broom.
Everybody get on. I'm the new bus driver. Dude, that thing was glitched, man.
Yeah, I'm going to be uploading Minecraft, Call of Duty, basically PS4 or games and videos and stuff. Minecraft is my favorite game. I grew up with it. But I mean, I'm still growing up with it, but it's my favorite game, so I'm probably going to be uploading that a lot. And I don't have PlayStation Plus, so I can't really upload other games like Call of Duty, except like Warzone 2.0 and stuff, which is fun, but I like the new Modern Warfare 3 beta. Yeah, this is what I got. This is the hat I got. I got it on right now. This is the red thing, but I also got the top hat. I also got that on because of my look. But I'm gonna put the top hat on because I like the top hat. This one. Hi, Purple. Alright, people. Oh no, we didn't escape.
Wait for me. No. Mighty. Mickey Mouse. Come here,
Oh, Lucy just spawned. Oh, Lucy just spawned. No, oh no, Lucy just spawned. Whee!
No, Lucy, no. Lucy,
yeah, I'm doing a YouTube video.
Lucy.
Go. You guys are gonna run.
Happens, but it's made.
No, Mighty. Wait. I'm not dating Mighty. The last time, I'm not dating Donald. I'm still dating you, Lucy. Lucy, I'm not dating Donald. I am not dating Donald. Lucy, we can talk about this. Lucy, we can talk about this.
Lucy's going to you, bro.
Let's go. But yeah, that lady I was just talking to, that was my mom. She's a really good mom. Ugh. Bro, this YouTube video has gotten a little bit crazy.
Mighty.
Bro, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want from me? I got no shiny rocks. What do you want from me?
Get on the fan if you want to get back on.
What? Oh crap. Oh. Fight me. I used to do Krav Maga. Anyway. Alright, there we go. Hello.
No, you're not.
Alright, let's go.
This is your school. Come. I dare you to lick
You can't catch me.
I dare you to lick Bye, guys. Bye, guys. I love my
I'm not good at 1v1ing. Bro, you know you're gonna be the main part of my video, right? Since you've been chasing me.
Come here, Mighty. Come here, Mighty.
Nope, 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 nope.
I'm late for school again. I cannot be.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, shut up, Jimmy.
I gotta get my apple.
YouTube
Crap, I
channel.
gotta get my apple.
Mighty.
Yeah, you should go sub to my channel.
Okay, I'm retired.
Eddie, got rid of him.
I guess I have to eat my lunch now.
Shut up, Jimmy.
I'm retiring.
I'm over here.
This is what your mother lives. Hey, I'm here for the next pickup for school. Is this the school bus?
Since I retired.
That's why you're moving by the come out.
Come here. Someone can take my job. I'm here for
Well, I think we're lagging. Oh, I think I'm lagging.
Hello there. I'm your school guy today.
Or maybe he's just lagging.
No.
Oh no.
You
Oh
You're
no.
right today.
He left.
Guys, so if you wait for me.
Oh man, I was gonna find him. If you guys find him again, please tell me who he is.
You are the new bus driver.
Guys,
Okay, thank you.
Please tell me who he is,
You
guys.
just have to go on to the...
Oh man,
You
we
just have
lost
to
him.
stay on the...
Well, his name is Oreo. I hope he finds this video. And if anyone knows him, please get in contact with him, because I want to friend him. Alright? But have a nice day, everyone. Have a nice life. Be good. Don't be like, you know, stupid on things. Do good in school. Do good in a lot of stuff, right? Do good in general. Okay? This is one last thing before we go. I'm gonna be uploading probably like twice a week. I don't know. But yeah. Yeah. And I wanna, yeah. And I'm probably gonna be doing this only on weekends or after school and stuff. But yeah. Everyone, I hope you have a nice day. Have a nice life. Please find Oreo. Have a nice